Oh, this whole thing?
Yeah.
Wow. I like that one right there. My grandfather used to work on railroad.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh. I don't. I might see something that what he drove. Well, days he was working on it. When I at least in present, they might have something like that right
Right.
there. But I never see them driving this stuff. That's great.
And like I said, the decanters,
Uh-huh.
they're Jim Beam, and they're full. They're liquor. And I call it the railroad lanterns.
I like this. That's very nice. It's original.
This is a mix.
How come you end up like with the different colors? I mean, you get them from different locations.
The red is, basically stop. And
Yeah.
the amber and the blue, I don't know what it means anymore.
But it's hard to find that many.
Oh yeah, no, they're very hard to find.
in different.
Probably, I've been collecting them for over 50 years.
Uh-huh. Friend of mine, he's from I think Uzbekistan, but he's a stopway, not like in in the Sakasty or not a Sakasty, close to the water.
Oh, okay.
Probably more in
Merle's Inlet.
No, it's like in the Sakasty area.
Oh.
It's more close to the Surside area.
Okay.
And he's living a gentleman. He's living by himself. He got on the second floor, probably same room, same size. I haven't seen it.
No, I buy and sell these so I can buy more stuff. Now this is a mixture. This is 100 years old, and this is
Down is 100 years old.
Yeah.
What brand is that?
It's a Lionel. They're all
Lionel.
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 Yeah.
Just the older one.
And then this stuff over here, this is from the 50s. It's all different.
From all 50s after World War II. It's all metal.
Yeah. In most cases, some of it's plastic, but most of it's metal.
They never made locomotive in plastic, right? Locomotives never been in plastic.
Oh yeah, they make plastic ones. This is not. This is metal. But no, there's the cheaper ones are plastic.
I know. This
this is a company called Marx. It's not Lionel. This is it's cheap stuff that I picked up.
Nice. On Facebook?
This here.
Oh.
These are wind up.
Oh, no kidding.
So yeah, it's 100 years old also.
This is a nice set.
Yeah, it's got a wind up.
This is truly a nice set. This one exactly nice set. Very nice. I like it.
And then over here, don't trip.
Okay.
These two sets here are remakes from the 30s, but I got them in the 80s. And the only reason I got them because these are brand new. They're not scratched up or nothing.
But they're from 30s?
No, they're originally built in 1930.
Okay, they just remained in the 80s.
Over the years, I tried to find a decent set, and they're all big nicked and scratched, like this one set over here, that yellow set. And they've never been run. They've never been run.
I like this one right here. The blue one is amazing color.
That's my favorite too. All kinds of stuff.
A little watch clock. Did you have any active listings on Facebook?
I had not now. I just do it periodically. I'll pop something on there, like we do with the pewter. I didn't know what to do with it. This is actually Legos blocks.
Oh, it is Legos. Yeah, you're right.
My grandson made that for me.
Crocodile locomotive. I haven't seen one like this from Lego, gosh, for a long time. This is not something new. It's maybe at least 20 years old.
No, I've had it he made it for me probably about 10 years ago.
Yeah, it's old.
Yeah.
And it's interesting.
I've been collecting for a long time.
Yeah, this wall is amazing. Yeah, I like these details when they use this stainless steel components
Yeah.
and made this truly real stuff. Yeah, this is a huge thing.
Yeah, it's a fun thing. I don't do it as much as I should, but I'm busy doing other things also. So I have nothing to do. I'm retired.
What is on that wall right there? Is that just like a... Oh, that's the signals.
Signals and those little metal houses, they're 100 years old. Those little metal houses, they're 100 years old.
May I grab one of those?
Yeah.
Look at a roof that come out. I think it's a copper. A roof made of the copper or steel.
No, it's pressed steel.
Pressed steel, yeah. Yep. This is look like back Russian toys. Made them like from metal like this.
Yeah.
Probably same in America.
It was made in New York.
This is for the light?
Yeah, yeah, it's
I got you. That's truly a real nice look. If I know you are collecting this, I could just share with you a couple of my things that I have. I would just bring you over and give it to you a couple Soviet cars.
Oh,
They're like small like this.
yeah, okay.
They something you can't find them anywhere. But anyway, thanks for sharing.
No problem.